Hi there, my name is Joy. Are you considering adding video editing to your list of digital skills? Video editing is the process of manipulating, rearranging video shoots to create a new work. Video editing is a flexible digital skill which you can work on a wide range of projects, from creating social media content and marketing videos to making films and documentaries. When you learn video editing and become a professional, you will be positioning yourself on a variety of career opportunities. Video editing is a digital skill that can bring numerous benefits to your personal and professional life. This is because you can use it for your personal branding and self-promotion. With the rise of platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and so much more, it has become easier than ever to share your own videos and build a lot of followers online. As the demand for video content continues to grow, having video editing skill can make you a valuable asset to many organizations, industries, and businesses. Whether you're editing home videos, creating promotional videos, or working on a film project, video editing skills allows you to express your ideas and visions in a visual medium. With an increased demand for skilled video editors, when you learn this skill and become a professional video editor, you will have an edge over your peers, improve your chances of progressing into newer roles and opportunities. Many organizations, industries, businesses, and companies in Nigeria or abroad need a professional video editor when it comes to promoting their brand, businesses, and also marketing. If you want to become a professional video editor, if you want to learn the skill and be very good at it, I would like to mention few things that you should consider when enrolling to learn the skill. The first thing you should consider when enrolling to become a video editor is a training school that offers practical hands-on training, that is, less theories and more of practicals. A training school with less crowded classroom is the best and conducive environment for you to learn the skill. The most important thing you should consider is a training school where a trainer will be assigned to you for mentoring and coaching. Guess what? Here at Bismaro Technologies, we offer practical hands-on training on various ICT skills you get to register for. Our classes are not crowded. A trainer will be assigned to you for mentoring and coaching when you get to register for any digital skills with us. The most important part of this is you get to build a real-life project before you graduate. Isn't this interesting? What are you waiting for? Why not visit our website to learn more and register for digital skills in high demand that will help build your career and also grow your businesses? You can also call or WhatsApp the numbers on your screen for more information. We are in a digital economy. Learn digital skills in high demand today. Till I come your way again, I remain your girl, Joy. Bye.